Welcome back. Good to have you again. Welcome back. Now, on this in this lesson, we're going to look at something called HTML formatting elements. They are called formatting elements. Like, let me just formatting. Let me just type just for you to see what formatting is. Formatting elements. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Formatting elements. Now, all formatting elements are inline. Yes, they are inline level elements. They are inline. Okay, so right now, after this, our P, let me create one here. Let's call it Q tab. Okay, so this one right now, let's type it grab. Let's type grab. I just want to type something there. Just something. You can type anything. So grab right now. Let me go to my browser. Let's grab. See it with the speech mark. Did you see with the speech mark? Now, what does Q do? Q is also semantics, just like P, but Q is for quotation. Q is for quotation. So something like this, where is that one that we did a block quote? Something like this with this block quote, you can actually create Q inside block quote. You can actually put Q inside block quote. Okay, look at this for instance. Let me just take it. Remember the graph started on a new line, right? Let's now prove if it is inline or it is block level. Let's copy this. Let's put it inside this. Let's put it inside block quote. Save it. Remember, it's going to be grab dance. Okay, let's save it. Let's see it. Grab dance. Can you see? So that means it is Q is what? Inline. It's not block level. It is inline. Right? Now you get it. It's inline level element. So you know now Q, that's quotation. Q stands for quotation. It is inline level element. Underneath here, so this is a formatting element. Formatting element. Use it to format. And I said almost, in fact, all formatting elements are inline level elements. Okay, so now let's go. Let's do P. Let's create another format here called EM. EM stands for emphasis. Emphasis. What did I say EM stands for? Emphasis. Emphasis kind of like is like italics. It works like this site. Remember when we did site, this with me, dance with me kind of called. Okay, so let's try. Let's type in something here. Let me just write run. I like run. Okay, so let's see it. Where is it? Run. See? Run. You see how it looks like? The emphasis, doesn't it look have the same font as site? So EM has the same font, like size, have the same offset look, like, so that's EM. So Q, we've done Q now, we've done EM. Now let's go to this where we have where is that element here? Okay, let me bring this up. This same, let me bring it up. Just want to bring it up for the purpose of just bringing it up. No big deal. Let me just bring it up. Okay, so same, and then let's use another EM here. Save it. Look at it. Same here to show you that the EM is inline, but they are actually for formatting. That's they change the when they say format means that it changed the texture of the text. So site is also like a formatting somehow because it changed the texture of the text. Grab changed the texture of the text because it gives it a speech mark. That's quotation. Okay, so that is that. Okay, now if you have this, the next one that we want to do right here is after the same year right now, I want to create a section here. Okay, let me bring this section. So let me just bring this section up right here. Let me just bring this section up. Should I? Yeah. Okay. Let me just create section here. Let's just create section here. Where is it? After the same year, right? Good. Let me just create instead of section, let me use aside. Sorry about my aside tab. Now aside here, now aside is also a semantic of stuff, right? Semantic, not stuff, semantic tag. Tree, save it. I go right here. Where's tree? See, it's down. Okay, all right. Now, of course, it's block level element, but I want to give you a semantic value. Now, this EM works like works like italics. I'm going to explain that later with another one because EM is preferred, is a preferred semantic to I. I is italics. I'm going to show you how I works too. Now look at this. Let's call this small. Where did I put it? Okay. SMALL small tab. Oh, good. Now small here jump. Save it. See, where is it? Tree jump. Tree jumps. Can you see the jump is small? Small. So that's why I'm saying that this lesson is about formatting elements. Now, formatting elements are majorly inline level elements. They are inline level elements. Okay, so right here after the jump, let's go. Let's create a section here. And that section, let's call it, let's give it, say, let's say where, remember section is block level, where are del. Oh, del, then tab. Okay, where are you? Now I put it inside del. Save it. Let's see what del does. Del slashes it out, deletes. So del is delete, is for formatting. Can you see why this video is about formatting? Because it's changing the texture of your text. Okay, so that's formatting. It's a formatting HTML tag, but they are all inline. So where are you, for instance, that it does that for you. Okay, so the next one now is, after this, let's go. Let's call this P. Okay, P. Now let's say H, like in chemistry, H. Let's call this sub. Okay, no, sub tab 2. Let me come here. Let me call this a capital letter O, and let me save it. So sub means subscript. Subscript. Del, delete. Subscript. Remember, it's a formatting HTML element. Now, if there's a subscript, don't you think there's going to be a superscript? Yes, there is. So let's call that SUP. Oopsie. Tab. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. There was no space here. Sub tab. Good. 2. Save it. Go to your browser. See? Superscript. The 2 is on top. Superscript. This is a subscript. They are all formatting elements. Now, after this right now, let's see, let me go after this. Where's my BD? Okay. Now, let's say that I have this and I come over here and I say, what should I write now? Let's just write something. And let me just, where was I here, right? Okay, I don't know why I wanted to go to that tab. Let's say I have P tab, right? Fun. I think we've done Q already. Let's Q tab. Fun it is. Save it. We've done Q, right? Where is it? Fun it is. Aha, this is it. So I'm just, remember, okay, we did it here. Yes, grab on its own. But I just wanted to show you that, okay, flowing with it, it's all semantics, but it is formatting elements. Those are formatting elements, but they are still semantic in value because their name speaks volume. Subscript, superscript. You get a small emphasis, quotation. Okay. Where are we? Okay, good. Del, delete. Okay, now next one is going to be, let's create another one. Let's call it let's say a div. block quote, and then let's say I am Mark, tab. Now Mark is another formatting element. And Mark, save it. Let's go to our browser. See? So Mark gives it highlights your text for you. Mark highlights your text for you. Of course, as I've told you, formatting elements are inline level elements. Okay, so they just change the texture of your text for you. That's what they do. They change the texture of your text. Now, let me come down here again. Let me create another semantic element called address. The only ones, let me just tell you something. The only ones that are not semantic really are divs and where's span? And where's span? Okay, I've not created span. Have I? Have I created any span here? I don't think so. Oh, I have now. I was wondering. Div and spans are the only ones that don't have semantic values. They are just containers. But the other ones have semantic because they all have meanings. Can you see? They all, if you click on, if you see one P, you should know what it means. BD, bi-directional override. So they all have meanings.